So hello students, now let us see the A14 answers. So first, mental ability. Here first one is D, second one is C, third one is B, fourth one can be A and D, but majorly it can be D. Both can be answers. Now fifth one is B, sixth one B, seventh one D, eighth one B, ninth one A, 10th one B, 11th one A, 12th one C, 13th one A, 14th is B, 15th is A, 16th is B, 17th is C, 18 is B, 19 is C, 20 is B, 21 is A, 22 is B, 23 is C, 24 is A, 25 is C, 26 is A, 27 is B, 28 is B, 29 is C, 30 is D, 31 is A, 32 is C, 33 is B, 34 is B, 35 is B, 36 is B, 37 is C, 38 is D, 39 is C, 40 is B. These are the mental ability answers. So the first question, students, what is it? That is, find the smallest 7-digit number that is divisible by 8. So divide with 8, you should get directly. Okay. So you should remember what? 8 divisibility. 8 divisibility is what? Last 3-digit number. Last 3 digits should be divisible by 8. How much? Last 3 digits. How many? Last 3 digit should be divisible by 8. So if you go with options, here last 3 digit 008. So 008 means it is 8. 8 by 8 it is divisible. So this is only divisible. If you check B option, it is 012, that is 12. 12 is not divisible, not in 8 table. C option 026, it is not divisible. D option 020, it is not divisible. So only option A is divisible. So you should remember the divisibility rule of 8. Once again I am telling, divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits. How many digits? Last 3 digits should be in the 8 table or divisible by 8. Understood? Okay. And also you should remember divisibility of 2, 4, 8, right? So 2, 4 and 8. Divisibility of 2 is last 1 digit. How many digit? Last 1 digit should be even, right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes. So next, 4 divisibility is last how many digits? 2 digits, and it should be even number also, that is divisible by 4, last 2 digits. 8 is last 3 digits. So if you check that, it will be easy to remember. Understand? So see students, 42 question, right? It is very easy. So what we have to do? 8.8 minus 88.08 minus 80.008 plus 888.008. So here 8.8 and 88.08 we cannot directly minus because it is smaller. So first you add it. 8.8 plus how much it is? 888.008. So first you should add it here. So if you add, you will get 896. Then you minus 88.08. So minus 88.08 here, and then from the answer you have to minus 80.008. 80.008. If you minus it here, it will come 728.720. 720 means 72. So 728.72 option is option A here. Okay. So 43 question is also easy. They are asking largest number among the given options. So how do we find the largest number? We know when it is decimal, we have to make the places equal. Here there are 3 places, decimal places. Here only 2 are there. So you give 1 0 and make it equal. Here 35, here 0.35, here 0.15 is there. So all the here 3 decimal places means all make equal, that is 3 decimal places by giving 1 0 here, here also 1 0 and here also 1 0. So it will look like 350, this will look like 150, this is 310, this is 131. Which is the largest? 350 is the largest, right? So that is the answer, option D. Okay, or you can go like this also, that is first unit digit, second digit you have to check, so that may be confusing. You go with this method only, easy, right? So see here, next question let us do. 44 train question, right? A train is running at a speed of 60 km per hour. How much distance in meter will it cover in 1 minute, they are asking. So speed is 60 km per hour means what? Here 60 km per hour means 60 km per 60 minute. Hour means 60 minute, right? 60 km 60 minute. 1 minute will be 1 kilometer. 60 km 60 minute means 1 kilometer 1 minute. So 1 minute it will cover how much? 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. So answer is option A here, right? That is very easy. So this is how you have to use shortcuts. If you do in the question, then converting, then it will take lots of time. Directly you, how much possible, go with shortcuts. And one more thing students, exams are near, you have to be little serious and practice. Understand, if you don't get anything you can ask. Exams are very very near, right? That is 18th. Today is how much? Today is I think 5th, right? So 4th January. So you have to be little serious. Understand? Okay, will everyone do well in the exam?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Next question 45. Okay, good. So let's go next now. Okay, so 45. Convert fraction 183 divided by 15 into mixed fraction. So how do we convert into mixed fraction? We divide it. You can do direct division also. Okay, so here 15 if you divide, 15 ones are 15, here 1 will come, so 3 will be remaining. 18 minus 15 is 3. Now you take one more 3 here, so it will become 33. So 15 twos are 30 here, 30. 33 minus 30 is 3 remaining. So remainder is 3. Quotient is 12. Divisor is 15. So how do we write? Quotient remainder divided by divisor. Quotient will be the whole number. So 12 quotient, remainder is here 3, write 3, and divisor is 15, 15 you write it like that only. Now always you should remember that it should be written in the simplest form. This is not the answer, option D is not the answer. You should write in the simplest form. 3 and 15 common factor, or it will divide with which number? 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So answer will be 12 1 by 5. Here 1 is in the numerator, 5 is in the denominator. 3 5s are 15. So 12 1 by 5. Answer option is option A. Always you should write in the simplest form. Okay.
It is option B, sir.
So yes, students, option is option B here, not A. Answer is option B.
Sir, this will be very long.
Yes.
That will multiply 15 12
Yes.
180.
Okay, good. So next question. Okay. So next 46 question. What is the question? How many factors does the number 48 have? So we know factors means which will divide. So if you divide with 1 here, so if you divide with 1, answer will come 48, right? So if you are not able to find how to find, I am telling you have to divide it, right? So 48 is there, right? So 48 divided by 1 means 48 answer. So 148 are. Now 48 divided by 2, if you do, 24 will come. 24 twos are. So here 24 twos is there, right? Next, if you divide with 3, 16 will come. 16 threes are answer, right? So like this you have to write the fraction, that is the factors, right? So next is wait, I will come, wait here. So here 4 12s are, that is 12 4s are 48. If you divide with 4, it will come 12 answer. If you divide with 6, 6 8s are 48. So these are the factors of 48. So total how many? Total 10 factors. So option is option B here. Understood? So see here students, you have to count both the numbers here, 1 also 48 also, right? Both the numbers you have to count, that is the factor, right? So here 1, right? So 1 and 48, 2, here 2, here 2, here 2, total 10 are there, right? So you have to count both the factors, understand? So students, 47 question. What is the question here? You have to understand first, right? So here the length of a rectangular garden is equal to its breadth. Length and breadth both are same means it becomes square. It becomes what? Square. So square means it is side, right? So square will have side. Okay, so it becomes a square. Both are same means. Understand? So it will have side. So they have given area. What they have given? They have given area as 576. So area is how much? That is 576. So how do you find the area? Side into side. So I told you, when it is given area as side into side and then number is given, you should factorize this. What you should do? You should factorize this and write into two equal parts. Okay, so 576, how can we factorize? This will come in which table? Yes, 4 table it will come. So let me write in 4 table, right? So 4 ones are 4, 1 will be remaining, 4 fours are 16, 1 will be remaining, 4 fours are 16. After that again we can do with 4. Yes, 4 how many is? 4 threes are 12, 2 will be remaining, 4 6 are 24. Now 36 will come in which table? 6 table. 6 6 are 36, 6 ones are 6. So what is the factorization? 4 into 4 and 6 into 6. So this is side into side, 2 times it is. Side is also 2 times here, this is also 2 times. So we have to take 1 time. How many time you have to take? You have to take 1 time. 1 time you take it. So side is equal to, so 4 you take 1 time and 6 you take 1 time. So 4 6 how much? 24. So side is how much here? 24 meter. Understand? Now what is the question? Find the perimeter. So how do you find the perimeter of square? Yes, perimeter is 4 times. So one side is 24 now. 4 sides are there. So 4 times side. So 4 times side means it is 4 into side. So 4 into 24. Answer will be how much? 96. Option is option B here. Understand? Remember, like this question are little lengthy. You have to remember them and remember the formulas. Which are the formulas? Like this. That is area of the square. It is side into side. Perimeter of square 4 into side. Right? So remember them and practice these questions. Okay? So now students, let us do 48 question. What is it? HCF and LCM of two numbers are 8 and 96. If one of the number is 16, the other number. When HCF and LCM given, we know HCF into LCM is product of two numbers, right? So if you want to find one number, we have to divide the HCF and LCM. What you have to do? You have to divide HCF and LCM with the given number. Okay, so let us do it here. So what is the given? 48, right? So here HCF and LCM are what? 8 and 96. Okay, one number is what? One number is 16 here, right? Okay. So if one number 16, okay. So what we will do, if you want to find other number, we just have to divide it. So other number, right? So HCF into LCM divided by 60, the one number, that is the first number or the one number, first number. Okay, so first number is how much? 16. So here HCF into LCM, so 8 into 96 divided by 16. So if you know the table, you can directly do it, right? So that is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Now 2 we have to divide. So 2 and 96 if you divide, it will be how much? 2 ones are 2, 2 4s are 8 here, 1 will be remaining, 2 8s are 96. So what is remaining? 48. So answer is how much? The other number is 48. So option is option B here. Got it? So see here, 48 question. What is the question? 48 we completed, 49 we have to do. So 20 ones, 20 tens, 20 thousands is, we have to add it, right? So 20 ones means 20 into 1, 20, right? 20 ones are, 20 tens means 20 tens are 200, 20 thousands means 20 into 1000 means 20,000. If you add them all, it will be 20,220, right? You add them, 20,220. So option is option C here. Very easy. Okay, so should we do the next 50 question? So students, let's go to the next question. What is the next? That is for 50 question. If the length of a rectangular ground is twice its breadth, twice means 2 times, so length is twice its breadth, 2 times the breadth, right? Area is given 200 meter square, so area is 200 meter square. So perimeter we have to find. Only length is also not given, breadth is also not given, but they have given relation and area, so we have to find length and breadth. So let us find it. So length means here 2 into b, 2 into b, write it down in that length place and b as it is. So 200. So if you take that 2 other side, it will multiplication will become division. So b into b is 200 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 0 0. So 100 will come. 100 twos are 200. So 100 answer will come. So breadth into breadth is how much? 100 means we can write it as 10 into 10. I just now told in this question. If it is 2 times, we have to take 1 time. Right? So 10 into 10 is 2 times, b into b 2 times. So 1 time means b is 10 here. Breadth is how much? 10 meter. So length will be 2 times, twice. Breadth 2 times, right? So twice means 2 into breadth, 10. 20 is the length now. So perimeter we can find now, right? Perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth. So 2 times length plus breadth means 10 plus 20. 10 plus 20 means 30. 2 times 30 is 60 answer. So perimeter is how much? 60 meter. Option B here, right? So see students, 51 question. What is the question? What is the difference between 47 degree and its complementary angle? Complementary angle means we know 90 degree. So 90 minus 47 if you do, it will come how much? Complement angle. Complement angle 90 minus 47. If you do, you will get complement angle as 43. So 43 is the complement angle. So we have to find the difference now. So difference between 47 and the complement angle 43. So 47 minus 43. Answer will be 4 degree. So option is option B here. Okay. Don't be confused. Complement angle we have to find first. So 90 minus 47. If you do, you will get 43 complement angle. So that minus 47. If you do, you will get answer as 4 here. Okay. Option B. So see here students, 52 question. So it is very easy, right? And direct. So on selling a TV for 9,450, a man gains 5 times its cost price. Find the cost price of the TV. Is the question. So here profit is how much? 5 times, right? So he sold it. So it was a cost price. It was a cost price. Profit is how much? 5 times of the cost price. So that will be the selling price. So selling price is how much? 9,450 rupees. So selling price, how do we find? That is by adding cost price plus profit. So here selling price is how much? Yes, that is 9,450. It is cost price plus profit. Yes, cost price plus profit. Profit is how much here? They have given 5 times. Profit is 5 times of the cost price. So cost price 1 time here, profit in that 5 times. So total how many times it will be? it will be 6 times. One time cost price, 5 times in profit, so total 6 times. 6 times cost price is 9450. So if you take that side, you should divide it, right? So cost price is 9450 divided by 6 times. Understand? So if you divide, answer will come. So divide it. 9 ones are, that is 6. 6 ones are 6, 3 will be remaining. 6 5s are 30, 4 will be remaining. 6 7s are 42, 3 will be remaining. 6 5s are 30. So answer will be 1575. So option is option C. So how should you do it in the shortcut? Yes, that is 1 time cost price and 5 times how much? Profit. So total will be 6 times, right? So we have to directly divide with 6 times, that is 9450 divided by 6. So answer will come same here. You should divide with this shortcut. Understand? So 53 question, students, it is easy. So we have to do simplification, right? Here off we have to do first. So 9 minus 1 2 by 3 means how much it is? 2 by 9, it is 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 by 9. Off means into. We have to do first this one. This we have to do first. Understand? Off. So next 3 by 11 means 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 3 is 36. 36 by 11 divided by, next is 5 1 by 7 means 5 7s are 36. 35 35 plus 1 36. 36 by 7. Off means into how much? 7 by 9. 7 by 9. We know in the division we can cancel out, cross cancellation. So 9 ones are 9, 9 4s are 36, right? And here 7 ones are 7, cancels out. Next here let us cancel with green. So 11 ones are 11, cancels out. Here 9 4s are 36. So what is remaining? You write it down. So that is 9 minus, here 4 is there, 4 divided by as it is. Here also 4 is there, 4. So 4 divided by 4 means how much? 1 answer. So 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1, 8 is the answer, option B here. Okay? So don't be confused. Try to do. First you have to solve the off. Then if you simplify it, if it comes in fraction or something, then that is a different. But it is very easy, right? So see student, next question, 54 question, very easy. So here 54, express 1 milliliter in terms of 1 liter, right? So we have to convert. So 54, 1 milliliter is how much liters? We already know, right? 1 milli means 1 by 1000. So 1 by 1000 means 1 by 1000 liter, right? 1 milliliter is how much? 1 by 1000 liter. So option is option B. Otherwise you should remember that table, that is kilo, hecto, deca, meter or liter or gram, then deci, centi, milli. So milli to, we have to 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, liter. Milli to liter means 3 times we are going, that is 3 zeros. You can do that one also. Milli means divide by 1000. Understand? That one also we can remember anyway. Okay? So next 55 question, right? 55 question is also easy. A shop opens at 8 am and closes at 7:30 pm. The duration for which shop is open? So from 8 am to 7:30 pm. 8 am to 7:30 pm means we can take it as 8 am to 8 pm will be 12 hours. So it is closing half an hour before. That is 7:30. So half an hour means 30 minutes. 30 minutes if you minus from 12, it will be 11 hour 30 minutes. That is option C here. Okay, 11 hour 30 minutes. So here students, that is 56 question, right? So what is the question? A shopkeeper buys mango at rupees 30 per dozen, right, and sell them at rupees rate of 4 for 15. Find his profit for 48 such mangoes. So here 48 mangoes means how many dozen? 48 by 12. If you divide, it will become 4 dozen mangoes. So here he is taking cost price at 30 rupees per dozen. 4 dozen price will be how much? 30 into 4. 1 dozen 30. 4 dozen is 30 into 4. 120 rupees is the cost price. Now selling at how much? Sells them at 4 for 15. So 4 mangoes is 15 rupees. There are total 48 mangoes. That is 4 dozen. 48 mangoes is how much? So we have to cross multiply. 48 into 15 divided by 4. So 4, how many is, if you cancel, it will become 12. So 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 15 into 12, if you multiply, it will become 180 rupees. So he is taking at how much? 120 rupees and selling at 180 rupees. So profit is how much? Yes, that is selling price minus cost price. 180 minus 120, it will be 60 rupees is the profit. So option is option D here. Understood? Very easy. So see here students, 57 question. In the given straight line means 180 degree now. So angle X we have to find. So X means how much here? So this total is 180 degree. So from that 180 degree we have to minus 120 and 30 degree. That is total 150 degree we have to minus. So if you minus 150 degree, 30 degree will be the answer. Right? Option is option C. So total this straight line is 180 degree. So X if you want to find, minus it. That is 120 and 130 minus madidre will get 30 degree angle. So option is option C here. Very easy. So see here 58 question. What is the question? If 95,095 kg of wheat is packed in 95 bags, how much wheat will be in each bag? So each bag means we just have to divide that, right? So by 95 bags are there. So let us divide with 95. So how do we divide? That is, I will do direct division. 95 ones are 95, 95 ones are 95. Now 0 is there. 95 zeros are 0. Now 9 is smaller, means we have to take 1 0 here. Next it will become 95. So 95 ones are 95. 1001. 1001 is option B here. If you are getting confused, do it in this method. 95 ones are 95. 0 here. 0 if you take, 95 zeros are 0 here. Now again next 9 we take. That is smaller. Or you can take 95 zeros are 0. So 9 will come. Next we take 5 here. 95 ones are 95. Whichever is easy you do it. The 1001 answer should be there. Don't be confused with 101. Okay? If you are not able to do division correctly, you go with options. Multiply. If you multiply 95 here, 1101 and 95, 100, it is nearly 100. So if you multiply with 100, 9500 is 9500, right? 95 will come here. That is 90,000, but 95,000 here, not 9,000. So that is why A will not be the answer. You can go with options also. Understand? So here 59 question, students, right? So what is the question? The bar graph shows that they are asking, find the difference between the number of kids whose favorite sport is chess and number of kids whose favorite sport is hockey. So chess minus hockey. So hockey is 75, chess is how much? 125. So difference means minus it. 125 minus 75. Answer will be 50 here. So option is option A, right? So that is the option A here. Now next question, 60, is also easy. What it is? The base of the triangle is 5 cm and the height is 8 cm. What is the triangle area? So area of triangle, how do you find? If you see here, this is the rectangle. Rectangle half if you do, it will be triangle. So you have to multiply base into height and find half. Divide by 2. Right? So that is what? base and height is 5 and 8 here. So 5 and 8 divided by 2. You can multiply and divide, or both we can do. 8 4 5 are 40. 40 half. 40 half is 2 2 are 4 0. So 20 centimeter square. Option is option A here. Understood? So see students, let us see the passage 1 answers. Okay, so passage 1 answers. So 61 is C, 62 is B, 63 is B, 64 is B, 65 is C. Now passage 2 answers. 66 is A, 67 is B, 68 is B, 69 is B, 70 is B. Next passage 3 answers. 71 is B, 72 is A, 73 is B, 74 is C, 75 is C. And then passage 4 answers. 76 is B, 77 is C, 78 is B, 79 is B, 80 is C. These are the answers. Exams are near, students. Practice the question paper again and again. We are also revising the revision, right? So like that you do the revisions. You should be perfect so much that if you see the question, you should be able to do everything directly. Okay, so that much practice you have to do. All the best for your Navodaya exams. We'll see in the next class.